welcome back to my channel. My name is Sabina. Today's video is going to be all about using up sample sizes. I've had all of these samples of makeup just sitting around, some as of late and some for quite a while, and I thought, let's see if I can do a full face of using just sample makeup. So let's get into it. Start with this sample. It is by Dr. Jart, their Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment. It's supposed to color correct any redness in the skin. It has this green cast to it, but when you apply it to the skin, it evens out. It has a minty scent to it. Really sure if it did a great job of color correcting any redness because I still see some redness on my face. This is by Sunday Riley. It is called their Autocorrect Brightening and Depuffing Eye Contour Cream. Apparently it instantly delivers a lifted and depuffed look while reducing the appearance of dark circles and fine lines. And Lord knows that I have both of those. Ooh. This has a bit of like an herbally scent. Since I have this strobe cream from MAC, we're gonna go in with that to be a bit extra flashy today. This product adds a very glowy finish onto the skin, so if you have a mattifying type of foundation, if you apply this underneath it, it will help make that foundation appear to be a bit more stroby. All right, we're gonna keep on going. I do have Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream. It comes in a 4-pack like this. Brush, 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 I'm gonna use. I am feeling so like bananas today, that's all I can say. Stick some of this vanilla on the back of my hand. Ooh, okay. And then I'm gonna just take a Real Techniques Expert face brush and just dab that on and buff this into the skin. And I know that this product's been out for quite a while, but I just never picked it up. But this would be really, really great for the summer. Okay, these earrings are driving me insane. These earrings are like stabbing me. I loved them. I got them from Target, but as soon as I put them in, like, I don't know, they started to like stab me in my shoulders. I'm gonna take a little bit more and just press that into my under eye area just to attempt some brightening. Right, I hope that looks okay. To set that, actually, oh no, I totally forgot. I have this sample of MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus in the shade NC20, just this little guy. You know, it comes in a little pan like this, and this is a powder foundation, so hopefully this will help give me a bit more coverage than I got from the gel cream. So I'm just gonna buff that into the skin. Ooh, what do you guys think? Definitely added some coverage onto my skin. We're just gonna go right into the eyes next. I have this little sample. I got this from a Birchbox. It's just an eyeshadow, a single. It's by IBY and the shade is Road Trip. It is just a pale peach, beautiful kind of all over color. So I'm gonna take that on a brush and place this all over. I can't believe I forgot to do my brows first. This is a mini Anastasia brow pencil. It's in the shade Medium Brown. I also have the Benefit GimMe Brow Brow Gel in the shade 3. I'm actually gonna start with this first, and I'm gonna apply the brow gel. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with the pencil. Okay, and I'm gonna just press my brows to my face. This is just a mascara primer. It's the Grande primer. I don't have a mascara, so I'm wondering if I could use this and maybe brow gel. I don't know, I've never tried brow gel on my lashes. Maybe that's not a good idea. So we're gonna try the GimMe Brow for my mascara. I don't know if this is gonna work or if it's a good idea, but we're just gonna do it because I don't have anything else. But I figured, you know, you can put it on your brows, why can't you put it on your lashes? Gosh, I am such an idiot. I did have mascara. I had this mascara right here. This brush is big. Oh, look at that brush. And this looks like a caterpillar. It's huge. I'm gonna take a smaller brush. I'm just gonna take a pencil brush and I'm gonna go into the eyeshadow and go on the lower lash line. I'm gonna try using this color Chestnut 09 as almost like a contour type bronzer. It's pretty, you know, warm. I think that if I dab that on and just use my foundation brush to blend it out, that'll create a nice effect. Oh, and you know what? That actually is working quite well. It's a bit warm, but in a pinch, this does a great job. That worked out pretty good for a bronzer color, much better than I thought that it would. I have these blush cards by Glossier, these cloud paints. I'm just gonna open that up and the color, bam, like wow, it's like hot peppers. Whoa! That is really pigmented. I'm just gonna take a foundation brush and blend that. I didn't know that these were so pigmented. I'm gonna take my hands and just kind of press that into the skin. To set everything in place, I'm gonna use this Cover FX powder. This is in Lucent Light. So I'm gonna pop the tab and then I'm going to dump some out into the cap here. I'm gonna put on a little bit of highlight. I have the Cover FX Moonlight Drops. So looks like this is just in a dropper. I'm gonna shake that up and I'm gonna use this, the high point of my cheeks, but I'm also going to use it on my eyes. I'm just gonna tap that in and whoa, bam, that gives some glow. I'm gonna take a little brush like this and I'm just gonna go like on the rim of the product because I don't want too much, and I'm gonna use that for my inner corner. This really works so nice as an inner corner highlight. I mean, just look at that. It's like glistening on my nose. Just ever so slightly. Whatever's left on my brush, I'm gonna place just on the top of my lip like that. But not least, I have a gloss by Model Company, and this is actually a lip cream. It's in the shade Creme Nude. This was from a Birchbox. I've not even opened it, so we're gonna go ahead and open that. Okay, this is a pretty color. Let's go ahead and apply this to the lips. It's like a peach toned nude. And I am not a fan of matte lipsticks. I just don't like that drawing feeling. So I have to make sure I get it right on the inner edges. Okay, we have one more thing left, and that is finishing spray. I have this Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray. It's supposed to be 24-hour, and we're just gonna dust the face. Oh, did I even get any on my face? All right, that is the final look using all sample size makeup. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you are notified when I upload, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.